Thunderstorm warning for Scotland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, southwestern Hope County in central North Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Hoffman to 6 miles northwest of Laurinburg to near McCall, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Rayford, Maxton, Gibson, Silver City, Laurel Hill, and Belmore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina,